Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Wintry weather made travel difficult in parts of the Northeast on Saturday, including in central Pennsylvania, where more than 70 vehicles were involved in a crash along State Route 581. The crash forced troopers in Cumberland County to shut down the roadway for hours to allow crews to clean up the wreck. Buses were also brought in to transport people involved in crashes to the local fire department. The Pennsylvania State Patrol said at least 10 people were injured in the pileup, but none had life-threatening injuries. Because of the cold weather, the new Cumberland Fire Department set up a warming and reunification center where buses transported crash victims to meet up with family members. Troopers have not said what they believe started the chain reaction crash. The storm system that produced the snow in the northeast and storms on the south led to delays and cancellations at airports along the east coast. The adverse weather led to more than 1,300 flights being canceled on Saturday. Behind the storm system, record cold air is expected to invade the east before midweek warm-up sends temperatures back to above average.